Good evening, YouTube. This is Jason, aka Bit Junkie. Hope this video finds you doing well. It is January 8th, Monday. You guys know I'm a football fan, so national title game is coming on in like 5 seconds. So I gotta get through this real quick. Today we're doing a withdrawal on Davor Coin. Quick video. Just wanted to show you guys the withdrawal process, and surprisingly, it works very, very well. Out of all the things I've been involved in, there's been nothing faster than dealing with Davor so far. So far, thumbs up. On the screen, that's me on the right. That's Jim Cohan on the left. And we are CryptUnite Global. That's our community. Please join the Facebook group. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter. Like-minded people coming together, talking cryptos, sharing what we're investing in, what we're doing next. And we have a lot of big things coming down the pike. I mean, guys, we're working in the background. You have no idea. We're working, and all the information is free. The community is free. We're not looking to sell you anything. Just come join, and we're gonna show what we're doing and what we're into. And we're trying to do it big. You know, we're trying to take a lot out of this cryptocurrency market as it grows into a multi-trillion-dollar business. We want to get a large share, relatively speaking, for our community as much as we can grab, right? So enough about that. Let's get into Davor Coin. Wrong thing. All right, so Bitcoin's looking good. We'll do charting videos later, but looking at the chart, yes, we're looking at charts now. I see it in an upward move between the high that was around 19,000 and the 17,200 range. We're going to see what it does. I can't tell you we're just going to break out and go straight above 20,000. It could consolidate a little bit, but the trend line, the trend direction is finally up. That happened down here, and how I define that, I'll show you on another video. But we finally have an upward direction on the trend, so that's good. All right, Davor Coin withdrawal. All right, so what I did is I was going to withdraw a total of $2,900. So I did 900 before I did the video, and I'm going to do 2,000 right now. So the reason I'm doing it that way is I didn't want to hold on the video because I didn't know how long it was going to take to process through the blockchain. So I did the 900 so that I could show you that I did it, and verify it once it hit my wallet. And then I'm going to show you the process with the money that's still in here. All right, so it's pretty simple. So you go to your lending area here, and right here at your lending wallet, you would click. By the way, before I get off of that, is anybody else noticing these interest rates? Pretty good, right? We get plus 0.35% on top of these rates. So like that's 2.07 right there. 1.65, 1.07, what is that? 2.09, 1.43. Hope my math is right. So, I mean, we've had this, let me see, we did the first loan back on last Tuesday, and look at our earnings and interest already. $2,841 on $30,000 invested. We're almost at 10% in less than a week. It's phenomenal. All right. So, but we'll do an update video later. We're trying to do the withdrawal. So what you do here is you want to convert. Here's my lending wallet. So I want to convert that money, and we're going to do $2,000. Okay. And that tells me how many Davor coins that is. I hit the tabs button on accident. All right. And now I hit transfer. Instantaneously, it's done. The $6 is left in my account, and then this is the amount of Davor tokens or coins that I have. Okay, so now I go to the exchange, and I want to sell those tokens. So I'm going to click all, and I can do last, but if you want to get it moved immediately, you can go to the ask price, which basically should push it through basically immediately. I hit sell. It shows it pending right here. And just because I'm doing the video, of course, it's not going to go immediately straight through. Makes me wonder, should I have converted it to Bitcoin before I did the video? Hopefully this is only going to take a second. This is uncomfortable because I had no plan on it just taking longer than a couple of seconds to go through. So I don't know what we're supposed to do now. Maybe we can talk the chart. Yeah, I'll show you the chart. All right. Direction, market direction. Let's get a trend line. I'm gonna give you the dirty simple explanation. This is what you call a time to mark supply line. And they call it a supply line because that means the supply is outpacing the demand. Okay. So that means that the trend is down. So as price was here, this started on the 17th of December. As the price was going here, and as long as this line remains intact, the trend by definition is down. Well, here it broke through that trend line right here and closed on the other side of it. And so now the demand line, which would be this one going up, is now in play. And why that works is, there's a lot to explain to get to understand why that works. But basically, the direction is up. And so the market goes up, it retraces back, 50 to 78% most of the time and continues back up. The problem we're going to run into with Bitcoin right here is this is the all-time high. And this is the area where people that are bearish on Bitcoin are looking to sell it. This is where they're looking to jump in. So you really never know what's going to happen in this area. This is the 61% retracement right here. And then this is the all-time high here. So this zone is very difficult to predict. Normally, if it's going to break through, a lot of times it'll just blast right through it. But, it could see a lot of consolidation and kind of playing around in that $17,000 to $19,000 range for a while. So we'll check it and see how it turns out. All right. So that's a baby explanation. Okay, well, this is not going to go right through. But what should happen is when this order, let's try and cancel the order and see if we can get filled at the market price. Selling all of it. Oh, wait a minute, it hasn't gone back into balance yet. Well, oh, you know what? It looks like it went through because we have Bitcoin here. So I guess I was a little late. All right, so then once you do that, you go to your wallet. Oh, also, I was wrong, people. All the information for your lending and everything is in here. All your transactions and everything are right here in the wallet area. So I said on the video the other day that there was no transactional data on here. I was wrong about that. So this is where it's at. And many of you pointed it out to me in the comment section. So thank you. All right. So now I go to my wallet and you see I have 0.13. This was the $2,000 or whatever. So I would hit withdraw. I go to my blockchain wallet here. I'm zoomed in way too far. All right, so I'm going to request, copy my address. I'm sending it to this address. And now this part here can be a little funny because they charge 0.0005 for the fee. Okay, so let me see. 0.13107. Okay. Then and hit submit and success. It's been saved and it'll process within 15 minutes. Now I did that, and let me show you this one right here. This one right here. I did this one at 7:24 p.m. today. 0.603924. Okay. And that's this one right here. And it literally took 5 or 6 minutes to process in the account. So Davor Coin works. That's the process. You whatever's in your lending wallet, you transfer it to Davor Coin. And here's another thing that's interesting about Davor Coin. Check this out. So I have $6.06. Unlike BitConnect, you can do any amount and convert it. So you don't have to do it in $10 increments when you do your loans. You can do them, whatever amount of money you have in your lending wallet can be issued as a loan. It doesn't have to be $10 increments or whatever. And I think that's pretty cool. So on the reinvestments, I don't know if it doesn't work. I don't think it works that way on just a straight loan, but on reinvest, it works that way. So, and then you can check the status of your, so it says it's processing, and you can see I did other ones and they're completed. So it works. And that's the one I did a little while ago. So that's it. Davor's making a ton of money. Where are we at? $2,841 in a week. Not even a full week yet. Our first payout was on Wednesday. So it'll be a week. This is 5 days of payouts, and we're already at almost 10% return on the $30,000 investment, and we get this $30,000 back in 89 days. Well, it's been 5 or 6 days now, so 82 or 83 days now. So it's good stuff. So that's it. Join the CryptUnite community. Follow us on our social medias. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell so you know whenever we're getting a notification. I have a ton of videos to update with you guys. We need to do Hashflare. I have to do BitConnect. I was very wrong about the math on BitConnect. I steered you guys in the wrong way. So when we do the update video, I'll show you where I was wrong. A couple of the commenters pointed it out to me and did the math and then showed me up. That's the thing about doing this channel. When I'm wrong, I get to be wrong like in front of everybody, and it's everlasting. These videos never go anywhere. They exist somewhere in the world forever. Me just being really, really wrong. So I'll wear that though. So I'll show you where I was wrong, and then we'll correct it. And yeah, we gotta address USI. They sent a letter out today about, they updated their status on everything. So we'll talk about that. So we got a lot of stuff to get to this week. You guys have a wonderful evening. Watch the national championship game, and if that's not your fancy, come back and watch this video again and just look how mind-boggling Davor is, because I'm a little giddy over Davor right now. So you guys have a wonderful evening. I'll talk to you later. Bye.